Hey medical fans, today we have the top earwax removals of 2017. We grabbed interesting pics and videos from around the web, such as Reddit, YouTube, and Instagram. So sit back and enjoy, and we'll give you a few facts about earwax and some tips on wax removal along the way. Earwax in the right amount is healthy. It protects your ears from bacteria and microorganisms. It also keeps your ears from drying out and becoming itchy. In general, your ears try to clean themselves, but wax can build up, causing discomfort, and sometimes worse symptoms, such as dizziness or tinnitus. Doctors recommend keeping most objects away from your ears. Even the commonly used cotton swab can actually push wax backwards into the ear canal, defeating the purpose of cleaning it out. You can also injure the eardrum by pushing wax too hard into it, or hitting the eardrum with the swab itself. If you get impacted earwax, it may have to be softened before being removed, most likely by a doctor. Lighted picks, similar to this one, are popular with doctors and are becoming quite popular with consumers, especially in Asia. The shape helps to get behind deposits and pull them out, and the light lets you see what you're doing more easily than, say, shining a flashlight. We'll give you some more info afterwards, or just check out the link below for more details. Well, there you go. Quick question, would you like to see more earwax removals with lighted picks like these? Or an attempt at removing earwax with a candle? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, we have new content all the time. And we'll see you next time.
Hey folks, have you been thinking of picking up an earwax removal tool? Well then check out this lighted medical pick available from Amazon.com. It comes with 3 attachments. Small and large picks, and a set of tweezers. The light makes it perfect for things like earwax, tonsil stones, and other delicate cleaning. It also comes with an additional set of 3 batteries and an irrigator for gentle flushing. Act now and we'll throw in a free 10-pack of nitrile gloves, all for under $15. We'll put an Amazon link below.